Hello children and welcome to the EVS2 class. Before I proceed with the lesson, children please take out your EVS2 book and take out lesson number 2, that is our earth. Yes, children please take out lesson number 2, that is our earth. And before proceeding with the lesson, let's do a quick recap of what we have studied. Okay children? So children, as we begin with the chapter our earth, first we have studied about the shape of the earth. We have known about the shape of the earth, which is an oblate sphere. Then children, we have studied about the rotation and revolution, which are the two main important movements of the earth. Then the next topic was, we have studied about how ancient people, early people believed. They believed that the shape of the earth was flat. Then later on, many people proved no, the shape of the earth is round. Then we came across the proofs which proved that the earth is an oblate sphere. Then children, we have studied about the 8 planets. We have studied the names and how they revolve around the sun. And then children, we have studied about latitudes, longitudes. Latitudes are the parallel lines, longitudes are the vertical lines. And then we have studied about the coordinates. The coordinates of a place is the latitude and longitude. Okay, the place, all places have latitudes and longitudes passing through them. So any place also has coordinates which has latitude. A particular latitude and longitude will pass through that place. So children, now let's proceed with our next topic. And what is our next topic? Before we begin children, what is today's date? Today's date is children 11th of June 2020, and already 10 days have passed and we are in the 11th day. So children, let's move to our next topic, a very interesting topic, which is continents. Okay children, today we'll study about the continents. And children, you all know how many continents are there. You all of you take out your textbook, and in the textbook take out this page which has continents in it. Okay, and you will see how many continents are there. There are 7 continents. And what are the names of those continents? Asia first, Africa, then North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. These are the 5 continents. And what are continents? Continents are the very large land masses on the earth. Okay, they are very large land masses on the earth. And here it's given people live on all the continents except Antarctica, because Antarctica is very cold. So people live on all the 6 continents except for the Antarctica. And the South Pole is located in Antarctica and is mostly covered with ice. So you can imagine how Antarctica is very cold. And why it's very cold? Because the South Pole is located in Antarctica and it's the southernmost point of the earth, and that's why it's very cold. So children, how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. And in continents we have countries. Many countries are there in the continents. Okay children, so let's see a picture of a continent, and you can see how many continents are there. 7 continents are there, and I am showing you a picture of the continents. Yes, North America, you can see here, South America. This is the map of the world. Okay, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. And can you see Antarctica? It's in the southernmost point on the earth, that is, it's located on the South Pole. So here children, it's the picture of the 7 continents. And where is India? India is here, and India is located in the continent of Asia. Okay, so let's move to our next topic, which is oceans. So children, oceans, what are oceans? Oceans are, you all take out this page. Yes, take out the page where oceans, this topic is there, and you can see what are oceans. Oceans are extremely large bodies of salty water. So oceans are very large bodies of water which are very salty. Okay, and that cover 3/4 of the earth's surface. So how many oceans are there? there are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So oceans are bigger than seas. Okay children, a sea is also very big, but oceans are much bigger than the seas, and on earth we have 5 main oceans. So here we can see the Pacific Ocean. It covers nearly 1/3 of the Earth's surface. The deepest point in the world's ocean, the Challenger Deep, is located in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. The Mariana Trench is located near Japan. So the deepest point on the Earth is located in the Pacific Ocean, and it's located in the Mariana Trench, and it's located near Japan. Then children, we have number 2, it's the Atlantic Ocean. It covers nearly 1/5 of the Earth's surface. This is also a very big ocean. Then we have the Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean to be named after a country. So the Indian Ocean is named after the country of India. Then we have the Southern Ocean. It's also called the Antarctic Ocean. Another name of Southern Ocean is the Antarctic Ocean, and it's the ocean that surrounds Antarctica. That means it's the ocean which surrounds the South Pole. Then children, we have the Arctic Ocean. And what is the Arctic Ocean? Where is it located? It's located in Northern Hemisphere and mostly in the North Polar region. So children, the Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean is near the South Pole, and Arctic Ocean is near the Arctic region, which is near the North Pole, and it is the shallowest of the world. So it's not very deep. It's not very deep. That means very shallow. Okay children, so let's see a picture of the oceans. Now you can see there, this is a world map, and here it shows the 6 main continents, the 7 main continents and the 5 oceans. And where are the 5 oceans? The 5 oceans are here: North Atlantic, Arctic, Southern, then South Pacific, South Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean. North Pacific and South Pacific is the same. That's the Pacific Ocean. Then we have Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. Okay children. Now children, let's move to the next topic, which is crust. Now what is crust children? It's given here. The Earth's appearance has been changing since its formation. Inside the Earth, the temperature is very high. This has melted the rocks at the center of the Earth. We live on the hard outermost rocky layer of the Earth. This is called its crust. This layer is cooler and harder compared to the Earth's interior. So children, the crust is the place that is the outermost layer of the Earth, where we are right now. We are staying. It's very cool and it's very hard also. In comparison to Earth's interior, children, the Earth's interior is very hot. Okay children, it's very hot. It's in a liquid state, but the outer part, that is the place where we are staying, the solid part, the soil which comprises the soil, okay, it's very hard also. It's cooler, okay, and that's why we can stay. As we go deep inside the Earth, we are not able to go inside because of the high temperature which is inside the Earth, and also because of the heat that is coming out from the core. So children, here you can see I am showing you a picture of the Earth's crust. Okay children, you can see the Earth's crust is the outermost layer. This is the crust, and you have the inner core. This is the core, and the core is in a liquid state, and the crust is in a hard state. Okay, it's in the solid state, and the core is in a liquid state. Okay children, now let's come to the next topic, which is continental drift. Now children, this is very interesting. What is a continental drift? This is a new term for you, continental drift. Here children, you can see here one very important word is there, that is continent. Okay, now let's see what is the meaning of continental drift. You all take out this page. It's in the book itself. Now what is a continental drift? It's given here. The crust is made of many sections. The continents are located on these sections of rock were a part of one big piece, and all the continents were joined together. But after many years of moving around, the continents have moved to their current positions. This is called the continental drift. What is continental drift? Continental drift means many millions years ago, the continents were not in the position which we can see now. I have shown you the world map, and you can see, you have seen the various continents, how they are placed now, how their position is now. But before millions of years ago, they were not in this position. Okay, their positions were continuously changing. Like 225 million years ago it was like this, then 150 million years ago it was like this. And I'll show you one more picture, children. You can see here. Okay, see, children, 250 million years ago it was like this, then 200 million years ago it was like this, then 145 million years ago, that is the Jurassic period, it was like this, then 65 million years ago it was like this, and then finally the present day. Okay, the present day, the continents have formed like this. So before, the land masses were joined together in this way, then they separated little, then this way, then this, and finally the present day we can find the various continents in their positions. Okay, this is called continental drift. Okay, children, so let's just see what is continental drift. It's the moving, many years of moving around. The continents were moving around for many years, and because of that movement, they have changed their position, and now they are in their current position, and this is called continental drift. Okay, children, so children, we shall stop till here, and let's take a quick recap of what we have studied. We have studied, children, today about the continents. The 7 continents are there: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. You can see here the 7 continents. Then we have studied about the oceans: the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Southern, and the Arctic. Again, we can see here the various oceans. The blue color are the oceans. Okay, children. Then the crust, the hard outermost layer where we are staying, is the crust, and the innermost layer, which is in the liquid state, is the core. Then lastly, we come to a very important concept, that is the continental drift. What is the continental drift? Continental drift is moving around of the continents, and they were moving around for many years until they have reached the current position. Okay, and the present day, children, we can see the continents are now in this position. We may not know after again million years where these continents will be. Okay, so children, we shall stop till here, and I believe with this we have come to the end of the chapter. Small little topics are left, like connecting with the various subjects, like English and maths are there, then some hot questions are there, explore are there, and in the next class I'll continue with those little topics which are there, and also we'll do the workbook questions. So children, meet you tomorrow. Okay, same, I think the class is at 9:30. So children, meet you tomorrow. Till then, take care and have a good day ahead. Okay, bye bye.